The job market is splitting in two, and if you're not paying attention, you might end up on the wrong side. We're not talking about some distant future anymore. Right now in 2025, AI is actively reshaping which jobs exist and which ones are quietly being phased out. Some roles are exploding with demand and six-figure salaries. Others are seeing mass layoffs that aren't even making headlines anymore. Today, we're breaking down the brutal truth: which jobs are about to boom with AI and which ones are already disappearing. More importantly, where do you fit in this new landscape? Let's start with the uncomfortable part, the jobs that are vanishing. First up, basic content writers and junior copywriters. If your job is writing product descriptions, basic blog posts, or social media captions, you're in the danger zone. Companies are already using Claude, ChatGPT, and specialized AI tools to generate this content at a fraction of the cost. What used to require a team of 5 writers now needs 1 editor with AI tools. But here's what's critical to understand. It's not all writing jobs. It's specifically repetitive, formulaic content. If you can't explain why your writing is uniquely valuable beyond following the template, that's your signal to pivot. Traditional call center roles are getting decimated. We're seeing AI chatbots handling 80–90% of customer inquiries that used to require human agents. Companies like Klarna recently reported their AI assistant doing the work of 700 full-time agents. The roles disappearing are Tier 1 support, password resets, basic troubleshooting, FAQ answers. But notice what's not disappearing: complex technical support, escalation handling, and customer success roles that require critical thinking. If your job involves moving information from one system to another or basic categorization of transactions, automation is coming for that role fast. AI-powered tools can now extract data from invoices, receipts, and documents with near-perfect accuracy. We're seeing this across industries: medical billing specialists doing basic coding, accounts payable clerks, inventory trackers. The pattern is clear. If your job is primarily about accurate repetition, AI does it better. This one surprises people, but junior developers who primarily write basic CRUD applications or boilerplate code are seeing their roles compressed. Tools like GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Claude are generating standard implementations instantly. Companies are starting to question, why hire 3 junior devs when 1 senior dev with AI tools can be twice as productive? Designers creating basic social media graphics, simple logos, or template-based designs are facing intense pressure from AI image generation and tools like Canva's AI features. If your design work follows predictable patterns, AI is learning those patterns fast. Notice the common thread: jobs disappearing are highly repetitive, follow clear rules or templates, don't require complex judgment, and can be broken down into clear steps. If 80% of your job could be documented in a step-by-step manual, you're vulnerable. Now let's talk about the opportunities. The jobs that are absolutely exploding. Companies are desperate for people who can bridge the gap between technical AI capabilities and business problems. AI product managers are commanding $150K, $250K plus salaries because they're so hard to fill. You need to understand AI's limitations, manage expectations, and translate between engineers and executives. Yes, prompt engineering is a real job now. Companies need people who can consistently get high-quality outputs from AI systems, build reliable AI workflows, and integrate AI tools into existing processes. If you know how to chain AI tools together to solve business problems, you're valuable. Someone needs to train these AI models and evaluate their outputs. We're seeing huge demand for people who can review AI-generated content, provide feedback to improve models, and ensure AI systems are working correctly. Companies like Scale AI, Surge AI, and others are hiring armies of these specialists. Here's the irony: while basic support is dying, complex technical support is booming. As systems get more sophisticated with AI integrations, companies need people who can troubleshoot AI-human hybrid workflows, debug API integrations, and solve novel problems that AI can't handle yet. That combination of technical depth with customer-facing skills is increasingly rare and valuable. Small and medium businesses know they need AI but have no idea how to implement it. Consultants who can come in, assess processes, recommend tools, and implement AI solutions are printing money right now. You don't even need to be a hardcore engineer. You need to understand business processes and know which AI tools solve which problems. While basic content is dying, specialized content is thriving. If you have deep domain expertise and can create content that requires real analysis, synthesis of multiple sources, or genuine insight. You're more valuable than ever. AI makes you more productive, not replaceable. The demand for data scientists and machine learning engineers is insane and supply can't keep up. Specifically, people who can work with smaller data sets, fine-tune models for specific use cases, and implement AI in production environments are in extremely high demand. As AI gets deployed everywhere, companies need people ensuring they're not creating biased systems, violating regulations, or exposing themselves to lawsuits. AI ethics and compliance officers represent a growing field that requires critical thinking AI can't replicate. Notice the pattern? Jobs exploding require critical thinking and judgment, combine domain expertise with AI knowledge, solve novel complex problems, and involve managing and optimizing AI systems. So here's your action plan. If you're in a disappearing role, you have maybe 12-24 months to pivot. That's not fear-mongering. That's based on current replacement rates we're seeing. The good news? Most people can transition. The key is positioning yourself at the intersection of AI capability and human judgment. Learn the AI tools in your industry. Become the person who knows how to use them better than anyone else. If you're already in tech, double down on the complex, creative, or strategic parts of your role. Automate your repetitive tasks and focus on the work AI can't do. And if you're looking to break in, focus on AI-adjacent roles. You don't need a PhD in machine learning. You need to understand how AI works well enough to implement it, manage it, or augment your work with it. The job market is splitting. The people who adapt will thrive. The people who ignore this will wake up in 2 years wondering what happened. Which side are you going to be on? Drop a comment telling me your current role and whether you think you're on the safe side or need to pivot. Let's figure this out together. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. We're covering the AI transition every week with practical insights you can actually use.